5 years ago, the Port of Barcelona imagined what it wanted to be like in the near future. Today, with the objectives achieved, we are thinking again about what the port of the future will be like to continue generating prosperity for everyone. With the new strategic plan, the Port of Barcelona aspires to continue facilitating collective growth, getting closer to citizens and generating the capacity and connectivity that our companies demand. For the first time, the strategic plan for the Port of Barcelona incorporates the three dimensions of the port: the commercial port, the logistics activity zone, and the old port. This offers us a comprehensive vision of the challenges we face and turns us into a port adapted to new global and regional trends. A port with the capacity to use its own resources to execute the largest investment cycle in its history. Essential investments to develop infrastructures that continue to guarantee the competitiveness of the foreign sector and contribute to the well-being of people. A port that reduces greenhouse gas emissions by focusing on wharf electrification, renewable energy generation, and producing alternative fuels through the circular economy. A sustainable, competitive and resilient energy hub leading the energy transition. A port that contributes to social and labour cohesion, developing future sectors such as the blue economy. A magnet for businesses, combining innovation, training and talent recruitment. A port that is closer and more open to citizens, which consolidates the Port Vell as a benchmark for diversified urban transformation, combining leisure and high value-added businesses. We have an action plan involving more than 100 actions which will transform the Port of Barcelona, placing sustainability, digitalization and commitment to social development at the centre of our strategy. With the new strategic plan, the Port of Barcelona prepares for the future, becoming more than a port, a driver of progress, leading the way to a better future.